welcome to my first unboxing. Oh, lighting stuff. It's better. I went to Dollar Tree today, and no, it's not Dollar Tree. Dollar General. I got talked to by a creepy old guy. It's like my friend. But other than that, I got new mascara, a wingy thingy, loose powder. Don't know really how to use this. Shimmer bronzer, you can get that, and then a wing curler. I'm actually going to try these out, and just to let you guys know, I don't know how to use loose powder, this thingy, or this thingy. So this should be fun for all of us. Now, if I can actually get this open. Yeah. Let's start with, can this thing go under it? I'm just going to open these first and see which ones I to use first. I love LA Colors. Like, I have a lot of makeup by them. Most of the stuff I got today was by LA Colors other than this. This is by Gem. So, how the frick do you open this? Go over there. Oh, I didn't go over there, thank God. Removing label. We use secure shifter by placing fingers over the edge and carefully pull the tabs. To apply loose power, place puff on shifter and close container. Invert and shake container gently. Tap excess powder from the poof and apply. Can't get the thingy off. What the freak? There we go. No, don't rip it. Don't rip it. I want to read it. Butthole. I'm a creative cusser, just to let you guys know. So, every weird cussing I do. Like I say freak a lot. That's the main one. Ugh, it looks so weird. That's from the shifter thing. Oh, that's so weird. Okay. Whoa. That doesn't do anything when you flip it over. Oh, that's bull. Okay. I'm gonna open the other stuff. So we're opening the shimmer bronzer. That's for $3. Yeah, I get the more cheaper makeup. Oh no! I'm trying to stop from ripping these thingies so I actually read the instructions afterwards so I remember what I'm doing. Oh, no. How the fuck do you get this open now? Well then. I don't know where my scissors went either. There's like nowhere to stick my, oh, there it goes. There it goes. Found an idea where to stick my finger up at the hole. That's not a joke. So don't, those of you with dirty minds, don't take it as a joke. Okay? Okay. Oh, that's so pretty. I love that. Don't break it. Ooh, girl, slay my existence. Oh, yeah. Simba. I'm Simba now. Yes, slay. That's pretty. Holy crap. Now I am Simba on my forehead. Where'd my mirror even go? Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah, it's stuck on my forehead. Okay. Got my mascara now. Once again, LA Colors. I love their brand a lot. I didn't break it yet. We're good. Ooh, that's curved. It's curved. Ooh, yes. Longer lashes. Okay. Oh, that closes weird. It's not even fully closed. Anyways, we got the LA Colors eyeliner wand. Don't rip it. Don't rip it. Okay, it's ingredients. I didn't need that. If I can't even get it open, like, oh my god. Okay. Oh, just 5 minutes. Come out of the hole. Don't take it as a joke. It's not a sex joke. Okay. Oh my god. Freaking cut you out. There we go. There we go. We got it. There's this pearl. It's LA Colors Pearl Metallic Eyeliner. Ooh. It doesn't even have a smell. Oh, I didn't get my nose pretty good. I thought it would have a smell, but it doesn't, which is kind of weird. Now, opening the Gem Eye Lash Curler. Not rip it, not rip it, do not rip it. Ha, got it. Without ripping it. Haha. Yes, I'm weird. Thank you. Now to get it open the rest of the way. Okay. What's this thingy? Oh, I got a refill thingy. Be good. Okay. It's a freak. This is so weird. What the heck? Where's the thingy at? Okay, wipe rubber pad clean. Use before applying mascara. Steady your hand on your resting elbow on a flat surface. Lift your chin, look into the mirror. Widen opening. Position lashes above the cushion pad. Okay. Squeeze together gently but firmly for 15 to 20 seconds for more curl fluff lashes. I'm gonna try this. I haven't had one of these before, but still mascara on, but I don't care. Oh, it goes this way, guys. One, two. Oh, it's pushing my eyeball. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ooh, what the heck? That's so weird. Oh, that felt really weird. Oh my god. That felt really weird. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This was so really weird. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It doesn't really do anything. Well, I don't think it does. Okay, now let's try this thingy. Yeah. So it says, wait, where's the thingy for this one? Oh, okay, loose powder. Shake a small amount of powder through the shifter and apply a face with a push up applicator. It can be worn alone or over foundation. Yeah, who would want to wear this alone? Okay, we gotta make sure it's covered. How do you freaking open this? Ooh, ooh, I got too much. Ah, butthole. Well, that's good and covered, right? I'm just gonna close this up so this doesn't get everywhere. Ah! No, 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 no! Oh, well, I spilled some. Maybe this is a bad idea. Okay. Oh, that's a weird setter. Oh, ooh, ooh. Can I wipe this off? My cousin's fiance did this, and she, like, I don't even know what she did. She, like, blew it off. I can't do it. I can blow it off myself. Oh, it's not, it won't bounce up. I have a fan somewhere. I don't even know. Like one of those hand fans, you know? Ooh, that feels weird, but makes my face soft. Ooh, girl, yes. It makes your face soft. Oh, yeah, I like that. Weird application, but makes your face soft. That's what matters the most. Carefully open. Carefully open. Just gotta go back into the shifter, please, and thank you. Into the shifter. Okay, we'll go back into the shifter. So, you know, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, so I already tried Mingy Thingy, tried powder thingy, tried not to try this, and this. See, I'm gonna try this. Watch me fail at life here, guys. Yeah. Okay, so I don't know how to do this. Okay, you draw your line, go back through. Connect the dots. I mean, there's that. I mean, it works pretty well. I like it. I have a dance recital tonight, and I was making all my crap blingy, so I actually stand on stage. No, it's holy crap. Oh, okay. Now I'm trying the LA Colors Perfect Curve makeup for eyeliner. Ooh, yes, my wings slaying my existence right now. Okay, now let's try this. Which way does this freaking go? Okay, it goes that way. Okay. Oh, that smells weird. Oh. Oh, that smells really weird. Oh. But it looks good, I think. Just don't blink, or it'll get everywhere. What? Trust me, that's happened before. Just don't fully blink. Little blinks are fine, but not full blinks. Makes sense. Okay, I don't want to use this. It's so pretty. Okay, I want to take a picture of this before I really use it. Okay. Now I'm just gonna go like that. Ugh. Oh, yes. Yes, like my assistants. Oh, but hardening. Right there. Oh. That's really pretty. Oh, yes. Okay, where my lid go? Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay, that's it. I think that's it for my unboxing. Yeah, that's it for my unboxing. If you have any questions on makeup, feel free to comment below. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you do whatever. Make sure you comment. Make sure you, yeah, whatever I just said, just do it. It's wise to. Till next time, bye.